Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This time I'm sharing with you two brief clips taken from 65 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. The clips focus one on Forex and the other on the interest rate in the US. It is a long video and I go through a lot of details covering many setups. Some of them are good for immediate trading, like people who have time to watch the intraday price action. And some opportunities are good for people who do not have the time to watch the market, on an hourly basis, but would like nevertheless to take advantage of some great moves that are unfolding now in the markets. You can have access to this long video plus others if you take a trial to my service. It is modestly priced at only €9.99, and you can pay with PayPal or the other payment options. I will be providing more details after the clip's end. If you are interested, please stay on. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing and good trading. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Here are the charts that I have in this video. I have the dollar index, the euro US dollar, Swiss franc, the euro Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen, Australian dollar US dollar, New Zealand dollar US dollar Polish zloty, US dollar Czech koruna, US dollar Mexican peso, and then gold, silver, high grade copper, the euro bund. I'll be looking at the December contract as well as the continuous contract, which would give us a broader view. And then the same with the USD bond, the December contract as well as the continuous, and then the TYX, the chart of the rates themselves, and then the S&P 500, S&P 400, the DAX, FTSE of the UK, the cash chart, IBEX 35 of Spain, Italy's MIB, and I'll terminate the video with a look at silver standard. That's the daily scale. And I suggested that you study this chart carefully because there could be some pretty dramatic move the day that it breaks decisively this orange line. Yes, there could be dramatic move that will take it all the way to 1150, but let's focus on the short term. I consider that we have here 1 2 1 2, okay, 1 2 1 2, and then 1 2 3 4 5 terminated here. We have basically two choices. Is that a 3 in pink? That'll be a 9 or 4 wave. That's likely to go on for weeks. Or are we in a 1 2 1 2 situation? I don't know. I think it's up to the market to reveal its hand, to tell us which one is the right one. But let's focus on the 60 minutes. And it is looking fairly convincing in the case of this one that the next big move intraday is likely to be down in the case of the US dollar Mexican peso. You can see that is clearly an ABC. Came down in a fairly neat 5 legs. 1 2 3 4 5. You know what? I'll take you to a 10-minute chart. Let's see how it comes out. Let's take a line chart, clean it a bit. So that will be my A. Yes, my A. That's a big correction. You can see it snapped back to the floor. It appears to me very, very likely, from what I see here, that the next leg is likely to be the C that will take it towards 1270. There could be also a case here of very short-term head and shoulders. Do you see that? And then, of course, we will see how it behaves when it touches the floor here. If we are into another set of ABCs, of course, that will be the fourth wave. If it crashes through 1270, that will become a much more dramatic situation. Scale of TYX, that's the 30-year T-bond interest rate themselves. Yes, that's the chart, and that's MACD reversal on the monthly scale. There's nothing to ignore. You've really got to consult that. That's really, really important. And look what the September performance is showing us here already. This is easily, if it just closes at this moment, the month, you can see what it's doing. We got another week. So this is interesting. You can see it in reference to previous 3 months. This is looking quite animated month. Let's have a look at the weekly now. And we also have divergence here, and also on the weekly, while it is correcting down, this one going up. That's quite nice. Do you see? And you see the immense pressure here. This one is already reaching the same level of this. Yes, look, of this level. There is plenty of support. There is another very interesting thing here on the weekly scale. Do you see the possible inverse head and shoulders here? That's a massive structure that went on from 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 months. And we are sitting right on the neckline in the correction. My thinking, this is 1, that's 2, we are up in a third wave. That is being borne by the price action as far as I'm concerned. With this being, that's the daily now. 1, 2. Sorry, and I'm not terribly certain how to subdivide it from here. It is possible that's a 1, 2, that's a 3, 4, or we should take all of that as 1, 2. But either way, I think that there is good scope for this one to continue high. You can see it's resting on the 200 moving average. That's the 200 moving average, that's the 50. 50 turning up, 50 turning up, 200 moving average holding. First was presenting massive resistance. You see what happened when it came to it the first time round, and came back, leaped over, coming down for the support. And it happens also to be the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders. So we have quite a few elements here, in my opinion, suggesting this market is heading higher. Okay, that's hello again. I'll be running through here, presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of their philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips, that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things, going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have 3 options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs 79 euro only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch, intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs a modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you paying through Money Bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of, to people from a lot of countries. Also, Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many, many countries. So that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page. And I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand? If you like my service, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is and what sort of, which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list. Highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential, and that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here you come up. It comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition. That's a yearly subscription. And then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take, on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. You like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, Money Bookers, AlertPay. Choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these 2 addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many, many years, and I've seen a lot of things. You know, I have also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.